Hysopt has many different parameters. Some parameters will have an impact on the static or the full load design calculations, and other parameters will have an impact in the dynamic simulations. All parameter fields have a default value in them in order for all models to be able to, for calculations to be able to take place. To help you keep track of which parameters are on default values and which parameters you have inputted, we have an input view. By selecting the input view, all of the base circuits which have not yet been checked by you are highlighted in blue. We can see here we've got 12 of them. In any one of them, we can see that there is a value and that we are told that the value is still on a default value. If we're happy with this value, we can check that box and that base circuit is not highlighted anymore. So here we can see we are down to 11 base circuits to check. If there's a base circuit with a few different parameters and it's only the important parameters that have this feature, if we're happy with all of these parameters, we can also check and all three of them get checked at once. Of course, if you change a value to another value, then Hysopt also assumes that you have changed that to the value that you wanted. You can also, if you go through a calculation step and there are still some elements that are on default values, the software will tell you. Here, this message, unvalidated inputs. That's what that's saying. If you select all of those base circuits, and you can then just check all of them. Of course, by doing that, you are telling the software that you are happy with and confirming all of those default values. Now, if I redo that step, I won't get that message anymore because I have validated all of the inputs.